start. Again, I would suggest that this is anti-inflationary. This is production oriented. This is anti-inflationary. And then there will be 1 million tube wells for the scheduled castes out of those funds which are already provided for in the budget. In that scheme of rupees 2000 crores, we have increased the competent for the scheduled castes that will not be distributed as subsidy just as grant or loan, but the wells will be provided. It is production oriented. So, if a scheduled caste farmer or a scheduled tribe farmer has a well of his own, it will be production oriented. It will be for irrigation purposes. So, it is anti-inflationary. So, sir, most of the measures are anti-inflationary. Then again, we tried to put a social welfare scheme for the poorest among the poor. It has been done earlier also by this government, but we have given a new dimension to this sort of a welfare program for the poor. I may in all humility say that if you see the socialist governments in the West, even the communist governments in the West, even the non-socialist governments in the Western countries now have provided a measure of social welfare for their poor within their means. Take the Western countries which are considered a model by social democrats. They have not nationalized industries. If you see the Western countries, there are a very few nationalized industries, but their social welfare system is one of the best in the world. Take the communist countries. In communist countries, they have a social welfare system. Of course, poverty is not of that type, but still they have a social welfare system. So, if we have provided for 3 or 4 schemes of social welfare in a non-inflationary manner, in all humility, I should say I should not be criticized by our traditional economists for being inflationary just because I have introduced 1 or 2 schemes for rickshawalas, for the railway coolies, for the agricultural labor, or for those who are casual laborers. Sir, one more point. Sir, you said you had for rural development rupees 2000 crores. Then you have also said that 40% of it will be for programs mentioned earlier and a component of it will be for construction of wells for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, etc. in the rural areas. stove.